Welcome to our channel, Consult Kriba, enlightening and empowering entrepreneurs. We regularly share the export opportunities for different products and different markets. In this video, we will see the bilateral trade relationships between India and the Mexico market. To receive the latest updates on exports and exports opportunities, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the notifications. India, the world's 6th largest economy, and Mexico, the world's 15th largest economy, have a problem-free relationship between the countries, based on goodwill for each other. During the 1960s, India used a high-yielding hybrid wheat seed, created by International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center, Mexico, to achieve food security. There are a lot of prospects available to enhance economic cooperation. Both countries agreed to elevate from a privileged partnership to a strategic partnership. Both countries' foreign ministries worked together through Joint Commission and a high-level group on trade, investment, and economic cooperation, and agreed on several bilateral agreements, including investment promotion and protection, double taxation avoidance, extradition, administrative assistance in customs matters, air services, and cooperation in many other sectors. The global trade and economic crisis, caused by the corona pandemic, affected the trade between India and Mexico in 2020. The bilateral trade in 2020 got decreased by 26.3% to $6.9 billion. In 2021, the bilateral trade increased to $10.11 billion. The trade balance remained in favor of India for the 8th consecutive year. Exports from India have grown by 20.89% since 2016, and imports from Mexico have grown by 94.8% since 2016. There are strong demands for India-made cars in Mexico, and exports of Volkswagen, Ford, Chevrolet, and Nissan cars are on the upward trend. Crude oil is the largest item imported from Mexico, and it constitutes nearly 70% of total imports from Mexico. India is the 4th largest importer of crude oil from Mexico. Indian companies see Mexico as a major investment destination. Information technology, pharmaceuticals, and automotive sector, food processing units are the top industries, with investments and operations in Mexico. Indian companies invested in manufacturing auto parts, tires, packaging, and electricals. Similarly, Mexican automotive parts manufacturing companies and food and beverage companies have invested in India. If you like the video, hit the like button. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. To know more about us and our services, visit our website www.consultkriba.com.